A country where continents collide, cultures blend, and ancient history meets breathtaking landscapes. Welcome to Turkey. Whether you're strolling through Istanbul's grand bazaars, watching the sunrise over Cappadocia, or relaxing along the turquoise coast, Turkey delivers luxury experiences at budget prices. A country where East meets West. Turkey is literally the bridge between Europe and Asia, and nowhere is this more evident than in Istanbul. Where Ottoman mosques, Byzantine churches and modern skyscrapers exist side by side. Explore the spice-scented Grand Bazaar, cruise along the Bosphorus, and sip traditional Turkish tea while watching the sunset over the minarets. Breathtaking natural wonders. Turkey isn't just about history, it's also home to some of the world's most surreal landscapes. In Cappadocia, fairy tale rock formations stretch across the horizon, and the best way to see them? A hot air balloon ride at sunrise. Meanwhile, the Pamukkale thermal pools, also known as the Cotton Castle, offer a dreamy escape into cascading limestone terraces filled with mineral-rich waters. The Turkish Riviera, a budget-friendly paradise. If you're craving crystal-clear waters, golden beaches, and affordable luxury, Turkey's turquoise coast delivers. Popular spots like Marmaris, Bodrum, and Fethiye offer everything from cheap beachfront accommodations to stunning all-inclusive resorts at a fraction of the price you'd pay in Greece or Italy. And if you're feeling adventurous, paragliding over Ölüdeniz is an unforgettable thrill. Delicious food that won't break the bank. Turkish cuisine is as rich as its history, and the best part, it's affordable. Grab a simit, Turkish bagel, for $1. Indulge in a full meze platter for under $10. Or savor an authentic kebab for just $5. And don't forget to end your meal with baklava and a glass of Turkish tea. Turkey lets you experience a mix of Europe and Asia at budget prices. You can get by on just $30 to $60 per day, enjoying local markets, stunning beaches, and historic sites. Now let's take a look at how much you'll need to spend while traveling here. Whether you're staying in a city or by the coast, budget-friendly options are easy to find. Hostels start at $7 to $20 per night, while budget hotels range from $20 to $40 per night. Turkish food is both delicious and affordable. Street food like simit, döner, or gözleme costs around $5 to $10, while a meal at a restaurant will typically be between $10 and $20. Getting around Turkey won't break the bank. Intercity buses cost $10 to $20, and if you're in Istanbul, a ride on the metro is just 50 cents. Whether you're into history or adventure, Turkey has a range of activities at different price points. A hot air balloon ride in Cappadocia is on the pricier side at $100 to $150, while visiting the famous Hagia Sophia costs $27. But if you're looking for free experiences, Turkey's stunning beaches are completely free to enjoy.